Manze, nimekaa before sijaosha fridge. So today I'm going to wash my fridge and I'm going to take you through how I normally do it. Stay tuned, watch, enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. So before I wash my fridge, the first thing that I normally do is switch off the fridge the previous evening before cleaning it the following day, so that by the time I'm coming to clean, if there was any ice or any food stuff that had dropped within the fridge, ishaachana, haijashikana ile kabisa. When we open inside the deep freezer, as you can see, it's not wet, haiyekangi ice. The next thing, I'll remove the appliances which are removable. As you can see, I had placed some water to have some ice cubes, but now the fridge was off. So I'll remove this part. This part is not removable. Now it's clear. I'll be able to wash and then open the bottom part of it. Remove the other compartments. Hasi ilikuwa chafu. So nishatoa kila kitu. I'll place them next to the sink, where at least I'll be able to clean and access water easily. So if I come with my detergent and scoring pad, so naona ni rahisi kuosha. Ni rahisi kabisa, nitachukua tu hiyo kitu ya kuosha, scoring pad, start cleaning, scrubbing and wipe inside. So once I've removed every compartment inside the fridge, I will leave the fridge wide open, ipate hewa kidogo, ndio kama kulikuwa na any foul smell itoke. Best thing that I'll do, I'll take my washing basin, add some hot water, or is it warm water that I had boiled, add my detergent, then cool off the water a little bit. Once that is done, I'll take my scoring pad and start cleaning. So we continue cleaning the compartments and make sure we remove any sticky food that might be stuck in the parts. Usafi ni lazima. If you are not clean and if your fridge is not cleaned regularly, you'll find your food starting to smell. Unajiuliza, mbona chakula yangu inanuka? Ni harufu gani yako kwa nyumba? Ama nikifungua fridge mbona kuna harufu? It's because when we are using the fridge, lazima kachakule kama kidogo. Tukiweka vitu, alafu unapata pia vitu za sokoni tuweka hapo. So unapata zingine labda zinaweza haribika, they are not prone to be left in the fridge for long. So lazima ushinde ukiangalia, usipoangalia by the time unafungua fridge unapata kuna kisimamo kwa ndani. I normally clean my fridge after every 2 weeks. Najua hiyo ni muda kidogo, lakini if you cook every day and if you normally buy groceries every day, lazima make sure the place is very, very clean before stocking your fridge. But if kama sijisikii kuosha, I normally just take a piece of cloth with soap and water, but make sure the water does not have too much soap, because ukipanguza na iko na sabuni mingi, fridge itabaki kidogo sabuni. Hizi tufanye katika yote ukumbuke kuwa Mungu ni wa kwanza. Ni vema tufanye lakini bila baraka zake hatutapata. Mali tulizo nazo tusijisifu ndani ya akili zetu. Hata usipopata usikate tamaa, Mungu hajakusahau. So once that is done, we will rinse our compartments and then place them here on top to dry up. So as you can see, we've rinsed the compartment. Takiweka hapo vikauke. Nikiendelea kukauka, nitachukua maji na beseni yetu ndogo na niweke sabuni kidogo tu, and then start cleaning inside the fridge. So I'll add in some fresh water, take our scouring pad, add some soap, add some cold water, and then add in our hot water, and then start cleaning inside the fridge. I'll just squeeze in some water. So usichukue maji mingi atunamwaga ndani, ni kama ni vyombo tunaosha, because there are some appliances inside which utaweza mwaga maji mingi kwenda ndani na kuharibu. Mbona venye imeng'ara ndani? Sabuni, maji moto kidogo na scouring pad to remove any excess food that had stuck. So tushaosha juu kwa freezer, so tutaosha chini yake. Oops, sorry. I normally use this fridge for storing food stuff zenye nimenunua kwa market. So in short, this is a kitchen fridge. I'll now clean the door. So once I clean like that, I'll still leave it wet so that if there are any dirt yenye nilikuwa nimeosha lakini haijatoka, iendelee kuyeyuka. So it's like soaking it. So once I've cleaned inside, now I'll start cleaning on top. I'll add detergent and then scrub it. Kutoa hiyo uchafu ya mafuta, since hapa ni jikoni, so kuna moshi, kuna nini. So ukisha panguza hivyo, unaiachia maji kidogo so that yenye haukufikia kuosha iyeyuke. Then you come back and wipe. Funny thing, sijaitoa hii karatasi. Let me remove it today. Wale wenye tunanunuanga vitu na tutoangi makaratasi ya hawa sisi. So once I remove that, I'll scrub. Now once you've cleaned inside and outside, I'll now pour this water. Take clean water now without soap, and then take a tablecloth, start wiping and removing any dirt. So I've taken my clean water with a tablecloth. Sibaki na sabuni, sibaki na maji yoyote. Kama venye imeng'ara. Ni rinse huku chini, nitoe uchafu yoyote yenye iko ndani. Mungu tunapewa. Hata sina sauti ya kuimba. Na venye nang'ang'ana kuimba hapa. Panguza hivi, funga milango, then wipe the outside. Nitachukua maji safi. Juu hii nilikuwa natolea nayo sabuni. So after wiping with clean water, kitu imekauka plus the compartments, nitarudisha and then I'll show you the final results. So the fridge is now clean, sparklessly clean, and the compartments have already dried and I've returned them inside. So let's all keep our fridge clean at all times and make sure that we don't encourage unhygiene practices in our houses. So I'll leave the door opened to air it out, and then once everything is okay after like 10 minutes, I'll lock the fridge and restart it before restocking again. Thanks everyone for watching. That was it on how I clean my fridge. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye.